In this video, I will explain about Pancasila as the philosophy of life of the Indonesian nation. Indonesia is a country rich in diversity, thousands of facilas, hundreds of ethnic groups, numbers languages, and a diverse range of religious and cultures. To maintain unity amidst these differences, the nation's founders formulated Pancasila as the foundation of the state and the philosophy of life of the Indonesian people. Pancasila is not only the basis for state administration, but also a guideline for attitudes, action, and harmonious living in a pluralistic society. The five principles and their implementation. First principles believe in one Almighty God. These principles teaches an importance of faith and tolerance between religious communities. This value is evident when people respect each other's worship, do not impose their beliefs, and live peacefully despite their difference. Second principle, just and civilizing humanity. This principle emphasizes respect for human dignity, justice, and empathy. We practice this principle by rejecting discrimination, being polite, helping those in need, and respecting human rights. The third principle, unity of Indonesia. This principle means us that differences are not a reason for division. The value of unity is evident when we work together, love our homeland, respect regional culture, and place the interests of the nations above personal or group interests. The fourth principle, democracy guided by the wisdom of deliberation, representation. This principle teaches decision-making through deliberation, dialogue, and mutual respect. In everyday life, this value is applied when families, organize, or community resolve problems through discussion to reach a mutual agreement. Fifth principle, social justice for all Indonesian people. This principle emphasizes the importance of welfare and equal opportunities for every citizen. This value is evident in equal access to education, access to public service, social awareness, and joint effort to create justice and prosperity for all. Pancasila as a guide to modern challenge. In today's era, we face issues such as intolerance, social inequality, and the threat of division. Pancasila serves a guide to addressing these issues, teaching tolerance for harmonious society, social justice for education inequality, and unity for the nation to remain strong amidst diversity.
Conclusion. Pancasila is a philosophy of life that guides us to respect each other, unite, and act fairly. By practicing its values in our daily lives, we contribute to building a peaceful, harmonious, and prosperous Indonesia.